Senior BJP leader and leader of opposition in the Rajya Sabha, Arun Jaitley, spoke exclusively to Times Now just before the all-party meeting. He gave an idea of BJP's stance on the various clauses of the government's bill as well as the Jan Lokpal bill.
Minutes before the opposition party heads for the all-party meeting at the Prime Minister's residence, I'm joined by Arun Jaitley, leader of opposition in the Rajya Sabha. Mr. Jaitley, you're going for the all-party meeting. Is there an agenda that the government has informed you that will be taken up in this particular meeting?
The government has not informed us of the agenda, but I think the government would be understandably looking for a way out of this impasse. That's quite understandable. And therefore, we also want a situation where the whole impasse ends. Shri Anna Hazare is persuaded to give up the fast because there is a huge danger to both his life and his health. He's very much needed and we wish him all the best in his campaign. At the same time, the government also has to see reason that it has to start some credible moves, particularly in the direction of having a strong, independent and a credible Lokpal.
The government has already presented a draft of the Lokpal bill which has been referred to the standing committee. Is there possibility of any other discussions when such a government draft already exists?
No, it's for the government to lay down the agenda and what do they want us to speak on. But the government's bill completely lacks credibility. Now, this bill was not produced out of the joint drafting committee, but after the talks broke down, this is really the minister's draft. And the kind of talks the government has been having in the last few days with various sections of the civil society has almost made it clear that the government is also unsure of its own draft. I have not the least doubt in my mind that the government's draft will have to be, if that becomes the base draft, unless some other base draft comes in, will have to be amended and altered and scrutinized thoroughly, both by standing committee and parliament, before it can become a law. There are many, many provisions in the government draft which require to be strengthened and which are not acceptable to us, certainly not acceptable also to a large section of the public in India.
But at a time when the government is trying to find a way out of the impasse and the Jan Lokpal bill is also under discussion, as is a draft by Aruna Roy, do you think there is going to be any possibility for the opposition parties to discuss other alternatives when there is already a government draft present? Will you insist on the withdrawal of that bill?
Well, we are not going into technicalities. And we don't intend to create technicalities in order to complicate the situation. We'd like a resolution of the situation. Nobody likes the present impasse which has been created. Therefore, the big message for the government in this meeting is going to be, please see reason. Get the message loud and clear of what the public mood today is. And therefore, your bill must be a document which inspires credibility, and therefore the kind of changes which are to be required in this law and which must be ingredients of the Lokpal law must be such which are acceptable to a very large section of India. It's not something which is wholly getting rejected by both the opposition and the civil society.